Think your diesel's running fine without a FASS Fuel System? Think again. You're leaving power, efficiency, and engine life on the table. I'm Megan with S&M Diesel, and this is just the tip. FASS Fuel-Air Separation System does more than just filter fuel. It removes air, vapor, water, and debris, delivering pure diesel to your engine. This means better combustion, more horsepower, and improved torque. And let's be real, maybe you accidentally splashed a little Friesel into your tank when the prices were through the roof. That stuff's notorious for being packed with contaminants and junk. A FASS Fuel System makes sure that your mistake doesn't cost you big down the line. Cleaner fuel isn't just about performance, it's about protection. By eliminating contaminants, FASS extends the life of your injectors and fuel pumps, saving you from costly repairs. And when it comes to mileage, with optimized combustion, you can expect better fuel economy. Plus, FASS systems excel in cold weather, preventing fuel gelling and ensuring reliable starts. FASS installation is a regular activity in our shop, and once it's in, maintenance is minimal. Give your ride a clean diesel diet with a FASS Fuel System. Give us a call at S&M Diesel to book an install where we get dirty so you don't have to.